we've got what they call a perimeter defender system. So it detects all movement around this boma, as we call it. And so, if there's an intruder, we can respond.
I see some have trimmed horns and some do not.
Yes, so the primary reason why we trim the horns here is because rhinos use it as a weapon to fight. So most of the adult rhinos here have their horns trimmed, and in that way, it's almost like boxers wearing gloves. So when they fight, it's not as lethal.
Gotcha.
And then obviously it's also a deterrent for poachers. Yeah, it's less of an incentive for them to come and poach a rhino. Yeah. Hey. So the rhino horn constantly grows out, like your fingernails. So you can clip it, and it constantly grows out. So same with rhino horn. So we trim it, say, once every 2 years, just before it gets too long and it starts to harm. Exactly. It doesn't have any nerves. There's no blood supply. It's dead tissue.
Right.
So they can't feel it when you trim it. So obviously we dart the rhino, and once it's sedated, we cut it. A vet does all of that, and it's highly regulated. So that horn that we take off is then marked.
To go through the process,
The process, like I explained, and then it's obviously stored in a safe facility.
Right.
I'm not going to see them go extinct while I'm alive.